Hi, this is Raymond Camden, and welcome to another BoxLang quick tip. For today's quick tip, I'm going to talk about sending mail. Once again, this is going to be pretty easy. All you have to do is install the module. There's an easy CLI for that. Install BX module and then BX mail. As soon as you do that, you'll have 3 new components added to your runtime. The main one is going to be the mail component, and that's something that you're always going to use to send email. It has a great number of attributes to support, connecting to different types of mail servers, how it should create the email, what it should do with the content, etc. On top of that mail component, you also have mail param, which allows you to set various headers, to do attachments, etc. And also mail part, which normally is used to handle sending both plain and HTML-based emails. Now, as a real quick thing before I get started, I am using an open source program called SMTP for Dev. It's a little Windows app that lets me have a mail server running locally on my machine for easy testing. Let's look at the code. So my first example here, sendemail.bxs. On top, I have a bit of dynamic data that's statically written, so you can just pretend it came from a database or anything like that, but it includes some products and prices. I'm going to create a string for my mail, and this is basically, hey, this is your order that you sent today. I use a basic HTML table. I then put the items from the data in there. And then at the end, I actually send that. And actually, that's a lot less code than creating the actual HTML email body. You can see the BX mail tag. I have my subject, my from, I have a to, I have a BCC, and I'm specifying a type equals HTML. In this case, the server is pointing to my local testing mail server. But typically, you would have a server as well as your authentication information as well. And then I just dump out the mail body, and that's it. And if I run this, I will get an email. And we could see it in the little application here. There it is. Hello, Ray. There's my little table of items, etc. And that's simple. If you want to send an attachment, all you have to do is add MIME attached to the mail component. You can also do this with mail param, but for simpler cases, that's all you need. I'm pointing to a PDF that's in my directory, so if we run this, it's going to create the mail, it's going to send it, and it's going to attach that file along with it. And if we go back here, we could see, there we go, it has the text and it has the attachment as well. Now, if you want to mass mail or email a bunch of people at once, obviously that's going to be pretty easy as well. In this example, I have a list of email addresses, in this case, 3 of them. And I'm going to loop over each of them, create a slightly dynamic mail body. In this case, is something interesting for the particular email address. And then I just pass that to the mail component, and that's it. And in this case, mass email, it's sending 3. But you get the idea. So if we run this, we should get 3 different emails. And if we go back into our little program here, we can see they all 3 went out. So pretty easy. I will include a link to the docs in this video. Definitely check out BoxLang and let me know if you have any questions.